So I've just put up a demo of the dynamic checklist, and we start to log into the system, and here we come into the portal, and we go straight to the builder software. We can always come back to the other bits and pieces, but for now we just want to do the quick one to go and teach you how to change the JSON files, or what we call the dynamic content of a checklist. I've already prepared some data. I have one for the diagnostic group and one for the EMEA group. And what you can see down here, I basically built one for EMEA and one for diagnostic. And there's a PDF fillable as well as an HTML version. And they are taking the same JSON file. And if you open this, you can actually see there are values in the fields, and them you can control by the JSON file, and that's the same here. And I think then I'll take the PDF, and you will see the exact content in the PDF file. And now we'll go and change the JSON values. And I just opened that JSON file here. No, let me start from the beginning. So we actually created a Dropbox account here. So please send me your account for the person you want to log into in this Dropbox folder, and then I'll send out an invitation. And it's called SWP. And see what's in here. You can see I have example 1 and example 2. So if you open example 1, go on, there you go, example 1, let's open that one. And here I can actually go in and change my values in the fields. So I'll change, for example, A1, I'll change that to 100. I could also change the site, and I'll change the pressure. I'll say it's incomplete instead of complete, and I could write something else like the pump needs to be replaced because the pressure is so low. And then I save this file, and then I go back to my builder, and then I will rebuild that content. And that's what I'm doing here. So when that one is doing that, I can maybe just repeat a little bit what happened. I went in and changed the JSON files, and that's what I'm expecting you to actually do. Your software should actually generate these variations in the JSON files based on each individual checklist, and then you go in and rebuild the checklist. You only have to rebuild for fillable PDF. You don't need to rebuild for the HTML version. They can be sent straight out to the mobile device, which I'll take another day. But now I actually rebuild it, and you can see all the content is changed. It comes out as not okay, which is equal to incomplete. And it'll exactly the same on the HTML version. Again, 10, incomplete, and so forth. And I think and that's it. There you go.